Hello, and welcome to the day of coding every day until I get a job. So, yeah, I think in today's video, let's just do some learning about the Django. So, I will set up the MongoDB soon because we can create a free Atlas database, which is, free. And, yeah, that should be fine. But when we need to migrate back over to our Python Django, we're going to need to learn a bit about that. I mean, we've had a tutorial, but it's basically just giving us code. I want to actually do a bit of a tutorial and actually learn more about Python Django. So I'm just going to go to chatgpt.com and I'm going to create a new chat and ask it about, because I've reached the end of my GPT-4 today, so I'm going to need to go back to just using ChatGPT 3.5. Okay, so please give me a lesson in Python on Python. Should be Python backend development with Django. Okay, let's see. So sure, here's an introductory lesson on Python backend. Gosh, ChatGPT 3.5 is fast. Covering key concepts and steps you need to get started. Okay, Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development of clean, pragmatic design. It provides a robust set of features and follows the battery's included philosophy. It includes many components needed for web development right out of the box. So install Python, install Django, create virtual environment, start a new project. Okay. So creating models. So in models.py, define your data models. For example, class item, models.model. So we need what's about models? It hasn't really explained it much. For example, after defining the models, create and apply migrations, creating views in views.py, create views that handle requests. So home, request, return HTTP response, welcome to my Django app. Okay, not too hard. Setting up URLs. So in the urls.py file of your app, define URL patterns for your views. So we're going to need to make like a questions URL for our Django to handle like requests in and sending data out. So define URL patterns for your views. So path views or home, name home, then include the app's URLs in projects urls.py. So you can do URL patterns path to admin.site.urls, and just blank, so include my app.urls. So admin interface, okay, and then further learning. So I'm going to go through the real Python Django tutorials. This lesson, okay, I'm just going to look at it up online because ChatGPT was not very helpful in that. So Django, I mean, it gave us the code, but it didn't really explain it. Django tutorial. Okay, let's see. Writing your first Django app, part 1. Django documentation. Okay, let's learn by example. Throughout this tutorial, we'll walk through this two parts: public site that lets people view polls and vote in them, admin site that lets you add, change, or delete polls. A bit fishy there. Admin can just delete ones. We'll assume you have Django installed already. You can tell Django is installed by each version by running the following commands. So okay. Creating a project. So we can do make dir Django tutorial. So make directory called a Python tutorial, which just comes with Windows. And then we're going to run the following command to bootstrap a new Django project. So Django admin start project my site Django tutorial. Then that's what the starting tutorial will look like with the with the command that's just been run. So let's see. So manage.py command line utility that lets you interact with the Django project in various ways. You can read all the details about manage.py and Django admin and manage.py. Directory, this is the actual Python package for your project. Development server, let's verify your Django project works. Okay, so this is all just setting up. And my page is frozen again. Okay, is it back? And it's my OBS running. Let me see. OBS, yep. Okay. So development server. Now server's running. Visit. So it's just the IP address with your web browser. You see a congratulations page with the rocket taking off. It worked. Okay. So this. Okay. Oh, we're against them. So let's write a view. Open the Pulse view, views, py, and put the following Python code in it. So importing HTTP, like Django HTTP from HTTP response, and we're returning HTTP response with the index at a request to give a request rather. And with polls, so Django URLs, we're going to import a path, then from dot. Assume this is just everything. Import views, so URL patterns. A bit, yeah. So basically, what ChatGPT was saying. Then URL patterns, polls, include poll URLs. Then we're having admin as admin site URLs. So all basically the Django. Is it a framework or library? I don't know. Okay, anyway. So now we've learned a bit about Django. Actually, I'm going to look at the other